Geography lesson by Zulfikar Ghosh. When the jet sprang into the sky, sprang means to fly up. So when the jet sprang or flew up into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. It was clear to the poet why the city had developed the way it had. The poet is looking out from the window and he is looking at the city, and he says that now I understand why the city has developed the way it has. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability. Inevitability means the condition of being unavoidable, when you cannot avoid something. So seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. So now poet is at a height where 6 inches equals to 1 mile. So 1 mile on the ground equals to 6 inches. When he is looking out of the window, he says that he has reached this height. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So he says that it was inevitable, it was unavoidable about what on ground had looked haphazard. Everything on the ground had looked very haphazard. Haphazard means random. Haphazard means inconsistent, something which is very messy, very chaotic, something which is not organized at all. So everything on the ground looked very haphazard, looked very, very random, inconsistent. And now that I am at a height, I can see why everything is so haphazard, so unplanned, and so without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So he says, now I understand that all of these things the city had developed in a very unplanned manner. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. So now the poet's plane is flying higher. It is flying at the altitude of 10,000 feet. So he says that it was clear. Now it is clear to him why the country, he can see the whole country now. He says it is clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran. He can see that most of the population is concentrated. The cities are generally along the rivers. Rivers ran means where the rivers were flowing. So all of the cities were near one river or the other. And why the valleys were populated. So valley means it's a depression between two hills or mountains. So he could see that valleys had a lot of population. It is so because generally rivers flow through these valleys and people live around the river in these valleys. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. So the poet says that the logic of geography as a discipline, as a subject, has one logic, that people tend to live around land and water. Around water bodies generally, that land and water attracted man. Land means obviously everybody lives on land. Land means people try to live around land that is fertile, right? So people are attracted towards land and water, and this logic of geography was clearly delineated. Delineated means depicted or shown. It became very clear to him, the geography logic, that people tend to live around water bodies and on land masses that are fertile, and this was clear to him when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high. So now the poet's jet is flying quite high. It is 6 miles in the air. It was clear the earth was round. So at first he was just able to look at the city. At the second level he was able to look at the country. And now he is talking about the earth. He says it was clear the earth was round. It was clear to him that the earth is round in shape, that it had more sea than land. Obviously, because there are more water bodies on the earth than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. So the poet says that what the one thing that is very clear to me is that the earth is round and that there is more water on the earth than land. But it was difficult to understand that men means humans, the people. It was very difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other. It was not clear why people hated each other so much, and they found causes to kill each other, right? To build walls across each other, across the cities, and to kill. So at this height, he could see different countries, and he could see that the nations are literally, quite literally divided. There are borders across countries. So he says that I could see these walls, but these walls are also there within the people's hearts. People hate each other, people guard themselves and hate everyone that's outside their wall, right? So walls also has a symbolic meaning here, right? So he says he's unable to understand why people killed each other in wars, why people thought that it was necessary to create these boundaries, these walls around the countries, and it is impossible for him to understand why people hated each other. So the poet here is talking about the deeper meaning of these walls, the deeper meaning between the division between the countries. He's talking about the hatred that people have for each other and the wars that take place in which we kill each other as people.